Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business website banner using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and set a wide canvas for a website banner. I place the image and duplicate the layer. I apply Posterize and slowly adjust the levels while watching how the image simplifies. Website banners need calm clarity, so I don't rush. I stop when the image feels balanced. I mask areas where text will sit, keeping them clean and readable. I zoom in to refine edges and remove harsh transitions. I adjust contrast slightly to guide the viewer's eye. I add business text and align it using guides for precision. I check spacing and hierarchy. I zoom